Can you solve for the value of x in this exponential equation on the board? If you think you can, pause the video and make a guess. We are trying to solve 6 power x is equals to 72. To find the value of x, first thing we have to do is to check to know whether the left and the right hand side can be expressed in common base. You see, 6 cannot be expressed to be in base of 72 or vice versa. So all we have to do is to take the logarithm of both sides. So if I take log of 6 power x, that will give me log of 72. Okay? So if we have this now, you can see that we apply the law of logarithm, which says that whenever we have a number that is raised to a power, we can actually multiply the number to the log. Okay? So x is now the power. So we are free to multiply x to the log. So x times log 6 is x log 6. Okay? And this is what we have, log 72. Okay? Then the next thing we have to do is to divide the left and the right hand side by what? Log 6. If you divide this side by log 6, to maintain equivalency, divide this side by what? Log 6. So that log 6 will cancel out. If log 6 cancels out, you see that x is equals to log 72 over log 6. In that note, we can rewrite 76 to be what? 6 times, sorry. In that note, we can rewrite 72 to be what? In that note, we can rewrite 72 to be 36 times 2. Okay? And this will now give us log of 36 by 2 divided by log 6. Okay? So we can now, in multiplying numbers in logarithm, we are free to add them in terms of their logs. X is equals to log of 36 plus log of 2 over log 6. Okay? 36 can be seen as c squared. So we split the fraction in the sense that x is equals to log 36, that is log 6 power 2, which is 36 divided by log 6 plus log 6 divided by log 2 divided by log 6. We have this. These two now will now multiply the log. So x is equals to 2 log 6 over log 6, then plus log 2 over log 6. If this two cancels out, what are we having? You see that x is equals to 2 plus, we use change of base. Okay, this 6 becomes the base of the log of base 6 of 2. And that's the very answer to the value of x. If you found the video interesting, do well to like, comment, share for more exciting math tips like this.